What's up YouTube, it's Waveman Mike, and today I'm about to teach you how to start 360 waves. Alright, so a lot of people want 360 waves, but they don't even know where to start. So I'm making this video telling you where to start. A lot of people ask different questions about when they're starting out and different things they should do. And right now I'm about to clear that up. But before we get this video started, can everybody go hit that like button? Let's try to get at least 25 likes. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Let's get the video started. Alright, first thing you need to know is when you're starting out, go ahead and get a brush. Do that first. Even if you have an afro right now, get the brush first. Let me tell you why. Okay, say you go to the barber shop, you cut your hair off, or you get the haircut you need to start off your waves, but then all of a sudden something comes up and you can't go to the barber shop, and then you can't go to the store anymore and get your brush. Then you're going throughout that time without the brush you need to get your waves, and then your hair is already set up to be trained, but you can't train it right away. That's why you need to get the brush first. So go buy a brush. Doesn't really matter what type of brush, as long as it's like a wave brush with like bristles. So it doesn't matter the shape, just get a wave brush. All right, next thing you want to do, so what you want to do is go ahead and buy yourself a do-rag. Then you want to go to the barber shop and get your hair cut to the recommended length for your hair texture. If you have coarse hair, some people call it nappy, you want to probably ask your barber to get like a 1 or 1.5 with the grain, just so it's at that or below that stage where it starts curling up. Medium texture hair, you're probably going to want to get a 2 with the grain, and straight hair, you're probably going to want to get like a 3 or 4, or maybe something, or really just wherever your hair starts curling up. That means obviously your hair can't be dead straight the whole time. Like you can't have like, your hair can't be this long and it's still straight. So if your hair is like that, then you're gonna have to go with some unnatural ways to get waves, like texturizers, but I wouldn't really recommend that because it's not healthy for your hair. All right, so after you get your hair cut, on your way home, brush your hair. When you get home, brush your hair. Throughout that day, whenever your hands are free, brush your hair. Before you go to sleep, brush your hair. Then put on your do-rag. Then go to sleep. Then wake up, take off your do-rag, and brush your hair. Again, throughout the day, when your hands are free, brush your hair, and repeat that process every day until you get your waves. Also, what you're gonna need, well, you don't need it, well, it assists you in your wave making process. Some grease. Doesn't matter what type you really get. It could be natural, it could be unnatural, but I mean, I recommend for healthy reasons, natural products would probably be better, but I usually use unnatural ones anyway, so this is what I'm gonna recommend. It's called Blue Magic, by the way. So you got your brush, you got a do-rag. Don't matter which do-rag you get, as long as you get one that's either polyester or satin. Let me tell you why. If you get a cotton do-rag, it's gonna suck up all the moisture in your hair, and it's not gonna, it just defeats the purpose of the grease, the moisturizer. Also, when starting out, you don't have to use grease. You can also use pomade, because that also will help you out a lot. 360 style pomade is probably one of the most, how do I word this? It's one of those that's like, a lot of people knows that it really helps, and it'll really, you know, give you the results that you want. So I recommend that pomade, and I also recommend Murray's pomade. All right, so you cut your hair, you brush your hair, put your do-rag on when you go to sleep, wake up the next day. Because I don't want to give you methods on how to get waves. I'm just trying to help you start getting your waves, because this is not a method video. I got a lot of method videos. If you want to check those out, go ahead and check them out, because they'll help you in your wave making process. But that's pretty much it for the video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try to get to at least 25 likes. I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day. This entire class is getting detention for a week. Hello. Oh, Principal Dove, it's nice of you to come in and see our wonderful class. Okay, class, so today's objective is to be
at my channel watching bed subscribers. I'm a mind, the baseline, I'm my best rhymes, sublime to the dime cause it's prime time. I get busy, making you dizzy, with the flow so cold I can make a storm chill. I'm trippy, fast like Zippy, girl on my neck and she left 6 hippies. MISSISSIPPI.
Thank you for watching me at Waveman Mike. If you want to check out more of my videos, there'll be links in the description, and you can go follow me on Instagram. Make sure to go hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my new videos. Enjoy your day.